Let me ask you something personal, friend. When was the last time you woke up with strong, dependable morning wood? Be honest with yourself. For many men over 50, that signal fades quietly. Some men tell me it's been months, others years, and they shrug it off as just getting older. But here's the truth: fading morning erections aren't just about intimacy. They're your body's daily health report card. A free checkup every morning, no lab tests, no doctor's appointment, and the good news, you can bring them back. Not with risky pills or extreme measures, but with two simple vitamins you take at night. Nutrients that work while you sleep to restore blood flow, balance hormones, and set you up for rock-solid confidence in the morning. Before we dive in, let me pause for one quick favor. If you find health tips like this valuable, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. And in the comments, tell me, where are you watching from? I love seeing men all around the world coming together to reclaim their vitality. Most men think weak or disappearing morning erections are just part of aging, but that's a dangerous myth. In reality, morning wood is a direct reflection of three critical systems working together: healthy blood vessels opening wide, steady testosterone production peaking during the night, nerves firing clean, sharp signals. When one of those systems falters, that signal weakens. And that's not just bad news in the bedroom. It's an early warning sign for your heart circulation and hormone balance. Ignoring it is like ignoring your car's check engine light. You might keep driving, but eventually something breaks down. Now, if you're new here, I'm Dr. Lily Morgan, a board-certified urologist with 6 years of experience helping men restore their health, confidence, and dignity. I want you to hear this not as a lecture, but as advice from a doctor who cares deeply about helping men live with freedom and vitality well into their 60s, 7s, even 80s. Because morning wood isn't just about sex. It's about waking up with energy, feeling like yourself again, knowing your body's working the way it's supposed to. And today, I'll show you how 2 overlooked vitamins taken at night can flip that system back on. Let's count them down, starting with the first vitamin. Number 2, vitamin D3, the master hormone in disguise. Most men only know vitamin D3 as the bone vitamin. But here's what almost nobody realizes. Vitamin D3 acts more like a master hormone regulator than a simple nutrient. Biologically, it stimulates your Leydig cells in the testicles to produce testosterone. It strengthens your blood vessel walls, keeping them supple and elastic. It lowers silent inflammation that stiffens arteries and irritates the prostate. Emotionally, low vitamin D leaves men sluggish, disinterested in intimacy, and frustrated with themselves. When niche are restored, men often say, "Doc, I feel like myself again." Practically, the over half of men over 50 are deficient in vitamin D3. Why? Less sun exposure, indoor jobs, colder climates, and belly fat that traps vitamin D away from circulation. And here's the kicker: vitamin D works best at night, with a little healthy fat. That's when your testosterone production peaks around 3 to 7 a.m., your vessels repair, and your body restores itself. Take it in the morning, and you miss the perfect window. Take it at night, and you're fueling the very systems that give you firmness by dawn. Number 1, vitamin K2, the traffic director for calcium. If vitamin D3 is the engine, vitamin K2 is the steering wheel. And without it, that engine can actually cause harm. Biologically, vitamin D increases calcium absorption. Good for bones, but dangerous if that calcium ends up in your arteries. Vitamin K2 activates proteins that pull calcium into bones and teeth and keep it out of arteries. The result: flexible, responsive blood vessels that can open wide for healthy erections. Emotionally, nothing robs a man's dignity faster than a body that won't respond. K2 helps restore that confidence by keeping your plumbing clear. Practically, without enough K2, arteries harden like concrete. With K2, they stay open, elastic, and ready. Together with D3, they become a powerhouse duo, boosting testosterone, protecting circulation, and setting the stage for natural, dependable firmness. And just like D3, K2 is fat-soluble. Taken at night with dinner, say salmon and avocado, it slips quietly into your system, working in harmony with D3 while you sleep. So, here's your simple nightly plan. With dinner, take a high-quality vitamin D3 and K2 supplement. Look for D3 paired with K2 in the same capsule for best synergy. Pair it with healthy fats. Olive oil, avocado, salmon, or grass-fed butter help absorption. Hydrate well during the day. Erections are about blood flow, and blood is 50% water. Thick blood means sluggish circulation. Get at least 7 hours of sleep. That's when testosterone peaks and vessels repair. No vitamin can outwork chronic sleep deprivation. Stay consistent. Most men notice changes within 2 to 3 weeks. More energy, steadier mood, and yes, firmer morning wood. Now, I want to reassure you, this isn't about chasing your 20-year-old self. It's about reclaiming your dignity, energy, and confidence. You deserve to wake up with proof that your body is still strong and capable, and it doesn't require risky drugs or invasive treatments. Just 2 simple nutrients taken wisely at the right time. If you've been feeling like your best days are behind you, let me tell you, they're not. I see men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s restore vitality simply by giving their body what it's been missing. So, if you're ready to take control, start tonight. 2 vitamins, a simple meal, a small choice that can change not only your mornings, but your entire quality of life. Because remember this, age is not the end of vitality. Your body wants to heal. It wants to perform. It just needs the right tools. I'm Dr. Lily Morgan, and I'm here to remind you, confidence, freedom, and energy don't retire with age. With the right habits, they grow stronger. If this message encouraged you, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and let me know in the comments. Where are you watching from, and what small step are you taking tonight to invest in your health? Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next